It is officially pasta salad season.
Phenomenal.
The only time-consuming part of it is prepping the ingredients. Boiled and chilled pasta. Now let's make the dressing. I actually just learned this trick with squeezing a lemon into dressings and stuff. So apparently you take a toothpick. Let's see if this works. Oh my gosh. What? That's a cool trick. All right, let's taste test. So easy and so freaking good. I know it's pasta, but it's still not too heavy. Truly obsessed with pasta salad. Yum.